Hi, this is Johnny with Georgia Softworks. I'm going to show you how to configure private key on a Windows mobile client. First, we're going to go to the Start flag, going to open the shortcut, press Cancel so that we can access the configuration file. I'm going to select it, go to Options, select Public Key Logon, press Configure, then press Browse. I'm going to change my folder location to Personal. You can see my pre-configured private key. I'll select it. I have to put in the password. I'll need to enter it again. And press OK. It imported successfully. I'll press OK. And now we're going to connect using the private key. And it's just that simple. We now have a SSH connection to the Windows UTS server. Thank you for watching this video.